Interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. General linguistics. General linguistics is chiefly interested in general patterns that shape each and every language. So, different languages have different shapes and different patterns in sounds, in arrangement of the words, in semantics. So, general linguistics studies all these things, and beside this, it also studies their current structure. What is the structure right from the sounds to the meaning and other levels? So what is their present situation, and also in their historical developments, how they have developed, how the present structure of a certain language has developed over time. So both these things are discussed under the heading of general linguistics. General linguistics is traditionally limited to the study of human languages. Previously, no other communication system was discussed under the heading of general linguistics, but now the linguists have taken a shift and they also study different communication systems under this general linguistics. General linguistics include the study of the key dimensions. Key dimensions mean the basic layers along which language tends to be organized. Any language is organized in these layers. So general linguistics studies these layers like phonetics, phonology, morphology, semantics, pragmatics. So these are the basic layers of the language. So general linguistics study all these layers. And beside that, there are certain other things, interdisciplinary branches of linguistics. They are also discussed under it. So cross-cutting these dimensions are specialized but often overlapping subdisciplines that examine linguistic structures from different perspectives. So these interdisciplinary branches study linguistics or study language from different perspectives. So what are these perspectives? So historical perspectives. So under this very heading, the language is studied with the relation to history, how it has developed. Linguistic typology, it studies divisions and structures of the languages worldwide. Sociolinguistics studies language with reference to society. Anthropological, it discusses language in relation with the cultures and evolution. And psycholinguistics, it studies language in relation to mind. And computational linguistics, it studies language with relation to computational problems. Corpus linguistics, it studies patterns of discourse. And philology, it studies language in the historical text. So these are the interdisciplinary branches of linguistics that are studied. So linguistics is part of a general group of language sciences which also include research in anthropology, sociology, philosophy, psychology, computer science, biology, and many more. So as the development is taking place in anthropology, so we are better understand language with reference to the earlier species, and sociology, as the developments are made in the field of sociology, we also understand language with reference to society, and philosophy with logical thinking, psychology, how language is related to mind, and computer sciences. With the development of computer sciences, we can better understand its relation to language, biology, and many more. So all these disciplines help us in understanding linguistics. So these are all studied under the very heading of linguistics. That's why we call that linguistics is a scientific study of language.